In English, there are 21 consonant letters and 24 consonant sounds. Starting off with P. P is where you push your lips together and then blow it out, and it's very sharp. P. I'll give you examples of how these letters are said in different places in a word. For example, P as in pet, pet. P as in paper, paper. And P as in top, top. So you see in all different sections of these words that P appears. You're gonna close your lips and then blow it out. P, pet, paper, top. Now B. B is a similar mouth movement as P, but it's more gentle and deeper in the throat instead of blown out at the lips. B, bet, bet. Trouble, trouble. And rub, rub. Let's move on to the letter T. T is T, T. Your teeth are together, and then your tongue moves behind your teeth. T, T. T as in Tim, T as in better. That's where the T differs. When there are two T's next to each other, you'll often hear it pronounced as if it were a D, better. Sometimes you can hear some people say better, but that's more regionally different. Here in the United States, you will hear better, better. And lastly, T for hot, hot. So that T is just like the first T, teeth together, and the tongue moves behind, hot. Our next consonant letter is D, D. D is very similar to T, as your teeth are together. The tongue moves behind your teeth, however, it's higher up in your mouth. D, dim, dim. Order, order. And lastly, bad, bad. So you see that your tongue makes like a small click. Bad, dim, order. This is the consonant letter K, but the sound is the same for C, K, K. This is at the back of the throat. You can open up your mouth, K, K, K. Came, talking, talking. Back, back. Great job. Okay, now for the letter G. G is pronounced like G, G, G. This is similar placement as the K sound, but less sharp in the front of the mouth, more lower in the throat. G, G as in game, game. As in bigger, bigger, and bag, bag. Now for the letter F. F is F, F sound. This one is kind of difficult. You put your lower lip at the bottom of your top teeth, like this, and blow out air. F. F as in fine, offer, and off, off. You should hear the wind blowing out of your mouth, off. Next we have the letter V, V. This V sound, V, is similar to F. Placement-wise, your bottom lip goes to the bottom of your top teeth. And instead of blowing, like for F, it's more of a vibration. Vine, vine. Saving, saving. Of. So you'll see that the word of is spelt with an F, but that single F is pronounced like a V. Of. Next, we have the letter S. The S is similar to the sound of a snake. S. This is your two teeth together, like that, and then you go S. Your tongue is behind your teeth and you blow S. Seal. Seal. Missing. Missing. And face. Face. You'll notice as well with face, there's a C in the middle, but that C is pronounced like the S. Face. Face. Lastly, we have the Z sound and letter. Z. Zeal. The Z is similar to the S, but think of what we used for the V. Instead of blowing, it's a vibration. Z. Zeal. Crazy. Crazy. And phase. Phase. You'll notice with this one as well, that phase is spelled Phase, but that S is pronounced like a Z. Phase. Phase. Great job. I hope that you will practice these consonants and their pronunciations. Good luck with your English practice this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a class. Great job today. See you next time.